Hello, everyone. Imagine standing on the edge of a daunting task, feeling a mix of dread and delay. Now, picture overcoming that hesitation and going in with confidence. What if you could conquer procrastination and turn it into productivity? By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the underlying causes of procrastination, effective strategies to overcome procrastination, how to maintain long-term productivity and prevent procrastination from creeping back. Let's discuss the underlying causes of procrastination. Procrastination often stems from a variety of psychological factors, including fear of failure and lack of motivation. Understanding these root causes is the first step toward overcoming them. Example: consider a student who delays working on a term paper because they're afraid it won't meet their high standards. This fear of not being perfect can paralyze their progress. Fear of failure. Fear of failure can cause individuals to avoid starting tasks they believe they might not excel in. This fear often leads to procrastination as a way to protect oneself from potential disappointment. Real-world story: Walt Disney faced multiple setbacks before creating the iconic Disney brand. He was fired from a newspaper for lacking imagination, and his first animation company went bankrupt. Despite these failures, he persisted, believing in his creative vision. Eventually, he created Mickey Mouse and built an entertainment empire. Disney's story highlights how viewing failures as opportunities for growth can lead to monumental success. Perfectionism. Perfectionism can be a significant barrier to getting started. When individuals set unrealistic standards, they may procrastinate to avoid the anxiety associated with not meeting those expectations. Example: a writer may delay finishing a draft because they want every sentence to be perfect, hindering their overall progress. Lack of motivation. A lack of motivation can arise from various sources, such as unclear goals, lack of interest in the task, or feeling overwhelmed. Identifying and addressing these sources is crucial for overcoming procrastination. Analogy: think of motivation as fuel for a car. Without it, the car, your productivity, won't move forward. Identifying what fuels your motivation can help you stay on track. Let's discuss how to maintain long-term productivity and prevent procrastination from creeping back. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Identify what works for you and what doesn't, and be willing to make changes to improve your productivity. Example: keep a journal to track your tasks, accomplishments, and any instances of procrastination. Reflect on patterns and make adjustments to your approach. Build positive habits. Developing positive habits, such as setting daily goals, maintaining a routine, and celebrating small wins, can reinforce productive behavior and reduce procrastination. Analogy: think of building positive habits as planting seeds in a garden. With consistent care and attention, these habits will grow and bear fruit over time. Seek accountability. Find an accountability partner or join a group where you can share your goals and progress. Accountability can provide motivation and support in overcoming procrastination. Example: many people find success with study groups or productivity partners who help keep each other on track and motivated. Closing thoughts. You can conquer procrastination and achieve your goals. Remember, the journey to overcoming procrastination is ongoing, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can succeed. Assignment. This week, identify a task you've been procrastinating on and apply at least 2 strategies discussed today to overcome it. Reflect on the impact these strategies have on your productivity and mindset. Recommended resources. For further reading, I recommend The Procrastination Equation: How to Stop Putting Things Off and Start Getting Stuff Done by Piers Steel. This book offers insights into the science of procrastination and practical tips to overcome it.